Hey guys, what is up? This is I Animesh and today I'm here in front of you again with a new video. So today we are unboxing Crocs, as you have know from the title, and those of you who don't know what Crocs is, let's see. And as of now I'll not be doing tech unboxings cause this month is kind of a lifestyle unboxing stuff. And if you have not checked out my latest video is of Puma backpack, so I am providing the link in the descriptions and all the essential links in the description by which you can visit sites which I am giving in my YouTube channel and which I am reviewing the product, so you can also see. So let's get started with the unboxing. So like I was hunting these Crocs from last 3 years and I was not finding them anywhere, but yeah, I found them on Amazon. So okay, so here are the Crocs. No, nothing that complicated in unboxing. So let's see what many of the instructions are written on this, many warnings. So yeah, I'll tell you. So as you can see, this is what we say the label on this, and this is saying that this is a quantity 2N, this is one pair, Crocs Coast Clog, and yeah, this is Crocs Private Limited, and it's I think manufactured in India. I think it's manufactured in India, yeah. And this is available on Amazon and Flipkart with different prices, and I have bought this from Amazon.in, so I'll provide the link. And as for now, I have got this in 2000 rupees with promotional discount. I have got this in 1995. It doesn't make any difference. So yeah, let's open these up. I kinda like these Crocs because I have a very big feet and sometimes I don't like wearing shoes and those traditional sandals. So yeah, I think I should go for this. So I have purchased this, and yeah, many of you who are asking, many of the viewers who are asking me for a review of the Nike Air Versatile. Sorry guys, I'm being very late in the reviewing, so I'll just drop a review after this video. So yeah, you can see that and this review too. So yeah, as you can see here, it says Crocs, and this is Crocs. Let me focus here. So this is Crocs men, it's 9 size, women is 11 size, and it is in JP, that is 27 size, 42 to 43, and M8 to W9. M8 is for men 8 and women 9. I don't know why different sizes are provided, but this is Crocs TM trademark. So let's remove this thing. Wow. So we have separated these and this one also, so nothing of any use. The color of these Crocs is navy color, and there is also many pamphlets or tags on this. So let me find my knife and cut this out. As simple as that. So many tags are there. Let me show you these tags. As always, they are providing some warnings, and yeah, so there are warning in another language, nothing of our use, and warning in English: to avoid severe personal injury while riding escalators and moving walkways, stand in the middle of the step facing forward, do not contact any surface next to the moving thread or step. Okay, so these are the cautions: step carefully when getting on and off, hold children's hand, and supervise children all the times. So by reading this, I think this is a very complicated product for kids as per the warnings are given. So I think this is quite hard to wear for children's, but not for us. And here you can see it's of navy blue color, Crocs Coast Clog, size unisex, M9 W11, Europe 42 to 43. And personally I have a very big feet, so I prefer you to go for a one size bigger, but in my case I didn't find one size bigger, so this was the last size, that is 11. So I got this for 11. And yeah, this is made in Vietnam, so this is manufactured in India. Why the Indian address is provided, I don't know. So this is also one of the pamphlet providing the address and all the stuff. This is the care and maintenance, so you can just pause the video and read this if you can, in case. So yeah, this is a very big thing: fit, clean, heat, grip, safety, etc. So yeah, let me tell you something about these Crocs from the manufacturers. This is a coastyle form construction which makes it light and easy to wear. Pivoting heel step for more secure feet. Iconic Crocs Comfort original coastyle foam cushion. So this is the original coastyle foam cushion. So yeah, this is quite of premium quality, I guess. And this Crocs is a world leader in innovative casual footwear for men, women and children with more than $1 billion in annual revenue. The company offers several distinct shoe collections with more than 30 four-season footwear styles. Wow guys, this is quite awesome. All Croc shoes feature coastyle material, a revolutionary technology that gives each pair of shoes the soft, comfortable, lightweight, non-marking and odor resistance qualities that Croc wearers know and love. So yeah, this was for the manufacturer. The fit description is roomy. The size suggestion is we recommend one size smaller. They are telling one size smaller, but I have heard like one size bigger. I am confused. So you can just prefer the manufacturer's size, that is one size smaller. Material is of rubber, lifestyle is casual, closer type is slip-on, toe style is round one, warranty type is manufacturer product warranty against manufacturing defects, that is 30 days, and care instruction are already given. So yeah, let's move on to see them closely. So it's written Crocs, and especially this can be very useful in rainy season. As you can see, there are many holes from side up and this side also, so water will not stay in for it in long time. So I think this is quite useful in rainy seasons and summer too, cause the air can penetrate from every side. So yeah, it is kind of all season wear. So you can see the Crocs branding over here. Yeah, so this cute crocodile, you can see this Crocs branding style. And yeah, so this is of the bottom size. The bottom side is Crocs trademark, men is 9, women is 11, unisex size, www.crocs.com. So I kinda like this product by seeing. Now the second one is also identical. Now let me lift the setup camera and show you how does it look when worn. So this is kinda good. So let me wear these, and these are both slippers and sandals in Indian style, if we can say. So yeah, this has slipped. As you can see, these are have slipped on and become the slippers. This is quite comfortable in walking, because personally I'm suffering from plantar fasciitis, and these are quite comfortable cushion foam. Now let me make these to slip on the sandals. So for this you need to do this thing, and these have slip on to sandals. So guys, this has switch on to sandals. Let me walk for some distance, and I kinda personally like the product till now, and I'll be showing you the review after some days, and I'll not delay it like the Nike Versatile. So yeah guys, if you're new, please like the video if you liked it, comment under the comment section below, and if you're new, please subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss a video from the TGA. And yeah, till then, thank you and have a great day.